So today we will discuss about the chapter number 14, that is called the Microsoft Excel, MS Excel 2010. Okay. So in this chapter, the Microsoft Excel is particularly made for the mathematical calculations. Understand? Mathematical calculation means whenever you are doing the formulas, functions in the Excel sheet, so basically that this Excel is made for that. What is the formulas? What is the functions? So that question is in your mind.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should have you that question in your mind? Formulas and the function. Actually, the formula and the function both work is same. Okay, both work is same, but the difference between that, formula is created by us and function are predefined. Understand? Functions are predefined, वो पहले से ही बने हुए होते हैं, but the formulas are we have to make that for our calculation for a particular work, and the functions are permanent same, but the formulas are not same. Okay, let's discuss that. So if you want to format a number or a cell, suppose I am writing it here, I am writing it the numbers, suppose I am writing the 15, okay, but here is that 15, 14 are coming. So I am just typing the date of today, 23 / 11 12. Okay, so here you have seen, but in some cases we have seen the dates are not coming properly. This is the first topic in our book, formatting the numbers and the worksheet. So if you have been seen, so here the date is coming correctly, but in some cases I have seen also the students are asking me that question, sir, the date is not coming correctly, how we can do that performance? Okay, so simply you just select that one, okay, and then put this one, general. Okay, you will see that function in the home tab, and you will see these are the option to change that for the particular numbers, what you are typing, what you want to be from these numbers. Suppose here is the 23, 11 and 2020, but you want the number should not become here, only the name should be there. 11 means November. So you want instead of 11, the November should be there. So how we can perform these things? Click onto the more numbers and go to the date section, and here we have seen this one option, and click OK. Give me a minute. I think it will not perform. So here we are using the US code, means so here we will check in this cell. So I will told you about the date. So you can change the date section. Okay, you can change the date section according to you. The sample one, it's general format cells. So no specific format. Here we have not provided the specific format for that number. If you want that my number should be, here you can see what types of currency you want to show it. Okay, what types of accounting performance you want to done with that. Okay, so accounting section, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, okay, text, special characters, okay, zip code, that is called the area codes, and the customization means according to you what types of thinking you want to add to that section. Suppose I will select that one and click OK. So there is nothing changes because that is a date. If you will use a numbers, if you will perform that task, then it will change to that section. If you want that my number should become in the decimal point, then you can use this option. So here we can see that this will come into the decimal points. So this is the format cells. Next one is the changing the font. How we can change the font? Next topic is font. Suppose I am writing it here. Okay, I have write at here ERD. So you can go at here and you will find out the fonts. Suppose you want to use the LGN, then you will see that font change to that. What you want to do with that? Okay. So here is the some options. This one is used for the bold, italic, underline. This one is for the borders. If you want to create the borders on your cells. Okay, this one is for background color. This is the text color. Uppercase and the lowercase means increase the size and decrease the size. Okay, these are the alignments. There are 4 types of alignments are there. Which one is?
Left hand side.
Not hand side. Left alignment, yes.
Right alignment.
Yes.
Center alignment.
Yes. And the next one is justify. It will not be used any blank space of your paper. It will complete whole page. Simple one. Okay. This is the complete. It will cover whole page. It will not left any blank area of your page. Okay. Next one is, this one is for the text wrap. Suppose you have an Excel and you want that your text should be written like this. Both of things, like in your book you will see the lesson 14. So here is the lesson is written in the top and the bottom board. Okay, top and bottom board पे लिखा हुआ है. So same thing we can do that, the text wrap. And here is the cell merge and merge across, merge cell or unmerged cell. Merge तो पता है. Merge means if you want to merge the two cells, दो cells को एक जगह मिलाना है, that is called the merge cells. We have already discussed about these options. This is the dollar sign means the currency sign, the percentage, the commas, conditional formatting means if you want to format these cells. Okay, the data bars, the colors, scales, icons, sets, chop rules. So everything what you want to do that you will do the conditional statements. Conditional समझते हो? If we are providing the conditions statement like we have done in the Python. So in that program we have been given a conditional statement. Whether if it is not right, then the print should be this line. If the condition is correct, then print this line. Understand?
Yes.
Good. So next thing is, if you want to change the font size, then you can select the numbers. Okay? So these will help you to increase the text and decrease the size of the text. Okay? Bold and italic, I have already told you how to perform the bold and italic performance. Select the text and press the bold